Guys, how you doing? I'm going to be making a few changes to this channel. I've seen in the comments quite often a lot of you guys have got no interest in any of my business videos, and it's upsetting some of you guys because I put quite a lot on there. And I want to make more business videos. You know, I enjoy business. Doing business is one of my hobbies, and this channel has always been sort of about me. It's never been an RC channel. It's always been sort of a channel of what I do. And you know, a lot of my life I spend setting up new businesses, trying business ideas, learning about businesses, and I like sharing that on YouTube. But I'm going to make a new channel. I've already made a new channel, so I'm going to put a link to that new channel down below, and there's also going to be a link to that channel on the end screen. And I'm going to keep that channel solely for business stuff. So on that channel, you're going to find Bitcoin stuff, eBay stuff, Amazon stuff. If I ever get into Shopify, you have some of that on there. Sort of business mindsets, anything else that I learned along the way. You know, I wouldn't say that I'm like the ultimate know-it-all millionaire business guru, but I know enough to sort of make a decent living. You know, I've quit my job 10 years ago, and I'm making sort of enough money to sort of have an idea of what it takes to work for yourself. So I'm going to keep all that stuff onto the other channel, and this channel is going to be more about fun stuff. So it's not just an RC channel. There's going to be different stuff, you know, like monster trucks, anything else, you know, when we doss around blowing stuff up, doing stupid experiments, just having a laugh. You know, anything that I get up to in my life that's fun, it's going to stay on this channel. And then anything that's sort of business related, about making money, about stuff like that, is going to be on the other channel. But you're still going to get the odd, you know, I'm still going to put like an ad in between some of my videos. I'm still going to run a few sort of eBay course ads every now and then, but it's going to be a lot less. So you guys that get upset by having all the business stuff on here all the time, hopefully it's going to be better for everybody. So guys, check out my new channel. I'm going to get all the business videos that are on this channel, and I'm going to move them over to the new channel. And I'm going to sort of, I don't know if I'm going to delete the videos off. I'll probably leave them on here. I might delete them off, I don't know. Give me a note in the comments. Let me know what you think. So guys, you're going to get the odd bit of business stuff on this channel, but it's mainly going to be to promote my new channel. So hopefully, guys, everybody's going to be happy. So give me a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think to that idea. If you're interested in the business and you want to sort of follow me on my journey and stuff that I learn, check out my other channel. That's all I got for you. See you soon. Bye.